I join the sentiment of our Liga President, Apo uh, Ramon Ortega, for our barangay officials. That's why I rise today to sponsor a draft provincial ordinance number 683, series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Granting Incentives to Qualified Elected Barangay Officials who have completed 3 consecutive terms in the province of La Union, providing guidelines for the grant thereof, creating a provincial validation committee and appropriating funds therefore. Our barangay officials are the foundation of local governance. Every day, they respond to the needs of our constituents, maintain peace and order, facilitate government programs, and assist during emergencies and disaster, settle disputes within their communities, and ensure that public services reach every household. Despite the demanding nature of their responsibilities, many of them continue to serve with dedication, sacrificing personal time and resources for the welfare of their constituents. Those who have completed 3 consecutive terms in office have demonstrated sustained commitment, leadership, and the enduring trust of the people they serve. Their continued election by their constituents is a testament to their performance and dedication to public service. To ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness, the measure likewise creates a provincial validation committee that shall evaluate and determine the eligibility of all applicants in accordance with the standards prescribed by this ordinance. This proposed ordinance seeks to recognize such remarkable commitment by providing qualified punong barangays with a cash incentive and a plaque of recognitions and other qualified members of the Sangguniang Barangay. This measure is more than a financial incentive. It is an institutional expression of gratitude by the provincial government of La Union to those who have faithfully served at the grassroots level. It affirms that dedication, integrity, and long years of public service deserve recognition. As we continue to strengthen the local governance, we must also recognize the men and women who stand at the forefront of public service in every barangay throughout our province. For this reason, I respectfully seek the favorable consideration and approval of this measure. Thank you, Madam Temporary Presiding Officer.